Hello everyone, welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Logunathan. This video regarding the job notification from ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Epidemiology 2020 job notification for the post of project staff nurse and project junior nurse. Here we'll see in detail about the job notification from the ICMR and NIE. So the vacancy notification were given by the National Institute of Epidemiology on the date of 4th August 2020. The eligible candidate can send the mail and can apply for the particular post before the date of 24th August 2020 up to 5 p.m. So the project name Codenchic study. The mode of submission for the application is entirely through the email only, along with the particular necessary documents. The filled application need to be sent to the email, that is nieprojectcell@nieicmr.org.in. Here we will see what is the eligibility and who can apply for the particular post. Under the serial number 6, if you are checking for the post of project staff nurse, they given the detailed instruction. The total number of posts 4 members, another UR2 and OBC 2 members. So the name of the project, that is Codenchic study. You are going to work under that particular project to monitor in the community settings. The place of post, that is Model Rural Health Research Unit under Kallur and Tirunelveli. So the educational qualification, if you are looking out, if you are having GNM or even if you are having that BSc, you can apply for this job. And if you are completed in any state, and any state nursing council can be accepted. So the desirable qualification and experience is nothing. Either if you are having GNM or BSc, that is okay for this post. And you should have that good data collection skill and research survey method you should know, and the clinical examination and blood collection and the collection of nasal and oropharyngeal swabs and knowledge about the computer applications. And that the salary 31,500 per month. The age limit for the unreserved category 30 years and OBC 33 years. And the nature of the duty also they were given. The important note, you should have that fluency in Tamil, reading, writing and speaking. The duration of this post 1 year. It may be extended based on the duration of the project and the project requirements. And the next one, the serial number 7, the name of the post, project junior nurse. That interview and that place of post as same for the project staff nurse. So the number of posts and the category for this project junior nurse, 36 members totally. Under the unreserved 16, SC 7 members and OBC 10, and economically weaker section 3 members. These members also going to work under that same project, that is Codenchic study. The essential qualification is high school or the equivalent with the science subject plus certificate course in A&M. That is a 1-year program with a 5 years experience from the recognized institution or the board. Even if you are having the qualification of GNM, you are also eligible to apply for this post. The pay scale is 18,000 per month and the age limit for the unreserved and EWS 28 years and OBC 31 years and SC 33 years. So this everything were listed along with the age relaxation. The duty and responsibility also they were listed. That is collecting the baseline socio-demographic information from the community setting and carry out the clinical assessment of the study participant and collecting the blood samples and oropharyngeal and nasal swabs and collect the treatment related information from the participants to carry out the hospital based surveillance and performance in any other work which is assigned by the supervisory officers or director. Important note, the person should have the fluent in Tamil language. The person should know to read, write and speak the Tamil language The duration of this post as like project staff nurse, total 1 year. It may be extended based on the subject to performance and the project requirement. How you can apply to this post main? First you need to fill the application form which is given in the annexure A. So this is the application form you need to fill. So there are totally 4 pages of application form you need to fill up, and you need to keep your signature also. How to apply for this job main? Filled application form along with the supporting document should be submitted through the online mode only. That email ID is nieprojectcell@nieicmr.org.in. That application and the supporting document need to be sent before the date of 24th August. The other instructions they were given on the PDF file. You can check it. I am giving that PDF file link in the description box. If you are having any doubt in the filling up the application and then sending the mail to that particular ID, you can write it in the comments box. Thank you everyone for joining with me. For getting all nursing government job vacancies and various nursing subject MCQs with the rational videos notification, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you once again.